Your skin needs hydration throughout the day. Using facial mist can keep your skin hydrated, and provide other skin benefits like fresh and clear skin. Today's video will discuss some simple methods to prepare facial mists at home. Skincare, ways to prepare face mist at home. 1. Aloe vera facial mist. To prepare this you need some fresh aloe vera gel, a cup of water, a few drops of essential oil, you can choose vitamin C, E or tea tree oil. Grind the fresh aloe vera gel, with water to make a thin consistency. Add 5 to 8 drops of essential oil to it. Store this in a spray bottle. Use this spray throughout the day, and store it in the refrigerator. Use this until fresh. 2. Green tea facial mist. Green tea also contains several skin benefits. To make this, prepare a cup of green tea and cool it in refrigerator. Add extract of 1 vitamin E capsule in it. Mix them well and store this mixture in refrigerator. Prepare in small quantities, and do not store for more than 7 days. Always check before using it if it is fresh or not. 3. Rose facial mist. Rose water is widely used during the summer season to keep your skin hydrated. Mix rose water and 1/4 of normal water. Instead of normal water, you can also use cucumber juice, which is also beneficial for your skin. In the end, add a few drops of essential oil in it. Spray this on your face for better hydration. Store this in a cool place until fresh. Are you going to try these facial mists at home? Let me know in the comments section below.